Hey everybody, we are at Magic Kingdom. I'm here with Sarah, Nikki, and Aaron on a much delayed girls trip that was actually supposed to take place the week of the shutdown. So 2.5 years later, we finally made it. We're at Magic Kingdom, gonna check out some of the Halloween decorations, ride some rides, and just have a full-on magical day. If you've watched our Magic Kingdom videos before, you know the first ride we always ride is what? Pirates. We're headed to Adventureland.
They're firing on us, Beth! They're firing on us!
I wasn't expecting a Tommy Bahama dress here, but this is rather cute. Pricey, but cute. Well, this scurvy scum is wet. Cannon blasts coming from every direction. Next, we're gonna head on over to Big Thunder Mountain. Dry off a little bit.
I told you it wasn't about.
Is so much more thrilling and fun when you get to sit in the back. It's always fun, but more fun in the back. Now we're going to head over to Fantasyland and hop on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train because Aaron and Nikki have a VR guest reservation at 10:45. We'll just escort them right to the door. That's absolutely one of my favorite rides here. It's so cute. The old hag's on it. You know I love her. And I love the song. I love the animatronics. They're so cute. And it's a fun little ride. I love how the train sways. And I'm always looking for the old hag. Have I just been missing those hair ties? They've been there this whole time and I just didn't realize it. And also, why is that a thing?
They were starting on Big Thunder too.
Why is that a thing?
Don't you need it? Put your hair back. It's hot.
Bye, girls. Enjoy your lunch. We're on the lookout for Pascals for Mike. There are 12 of them. There's one there, one there.
Oh, there's one.
There's 3.
4.
Oh. All right. We're making some progress. There's 5. Sarah found this guy. It's green. Can you see him?
Yes.
There. There's 6. All right. It's half. To be continued. Okay, everybody is fed. Now we are hoofing it back on over to Frontierland because we want to get on Splash Mountain. Let the Liberty Bell guide the way. Don't worry about it because I'm on the wet side. Water level's looking really high.
Oh no. Oh no. The timing's gonna be just right. Oh, we have that on.
Oh, that's off. Woo. Post call.
It's really hot. Like today's the day you want to have that on, but okay.
You may get wet.
Yes, my whole right side soaking wet already. The baby one.
So I blocked you?
You blocked it from my face. Thank you.
Sarah got you.
That was rude. Thank you.
That's just rude.
There's all the water. There it is. Not blocking her now, are ya?
What's next, ladies?
are. Mansion. Yeah.
Mansion? Let's do it.
Nugget.
Nugget. Oh,
Yep.
hi, Nugget.
What a cute
dog.
pup.
This is Nugget. We just have to walk him out sometimes.
That was a bust. Haunted Mansion's down for right now, so we're gonna head over and go to Fantasyland and get on It's a Small World. Cast members collect the coins from in here and fountains around Walt Disney World, and they save them. And once a year, all of the loose change is donated to a nonprofit organization. The rain is rolling in, so we're going to head over to Tomorrowland because Space Mountain is one of the only things that's running right now. So to space we go. Closed. Astro Orbiter closed.
Now I think
Gotta pick up the pace. Rain's coming down a little more steadily.
Oh,
No, a lot more steadily. so hard to get on and off that ride in a dress. It's a tough one. It's such a good ride. I always kind of forget about it. We don't come to Tomorrowland very often, which is a shame because Space Mountain's fun. I'm getting some serious Annie Lennox vibes. Here comes the rain again. We're gonna head over to the Emporium, maybe do some shopping, and then I think call it a day. Maybe come back for the fireworks, we'll see. It's about 3 o'clock. It looks like it's about 8 o'clock. That's how dark the sky is. So I think that's going to do it for us here at Magic Kingdom today. Thanks for coming along with us. Sorry the rain cut the day short, but we hope you still had a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, it has been a most gratifying day.